it's Connie with SimplySimpleStamping.com, and I have another 2-Minute Tuesday tip for you. This month we've been talking about upcycling, what to do with stuff that's normally trash, how we can incorporate it into our stamping. Today I've got a makeup brush, but that little brush on top is going to make a wonderful stipple brush. Let me show you how. So obviously the first thing you're going to need to do is to clean the brush. We don't want any makeup on there. So that's been cleaned and dried. We're going to come in, I'm going to start with a Pool Party ink pad because I want to start with my lightest color. And guys, very simple to do. I'm just going to add some ink to the brush and just start tapping. If you want a smoother look, you can swirl the ink on, and it's not going to have as much of a stipple texture, but it is very, very pretty. All right, let's come in with our next color, Rose Red. This is a darker color, so I want to tap off their stipple, right? Which is very pretty, but if we tap off a little bit of that excess, we get a nice soft color. So you can see I've stippled, and then I can come on and I can just spread that around, stipple some off, and swirl. I do want to share with you how to clean your brush. You're going to do it just like you would any other stamp. A little Stampin' Mist. You can even, like I've used that dark red, I can put some Stampin' Mist right there on the brush. Rub that over my stamp script. Yes, I've got some little fuzzies on there, but guys, just a tap on the table and we'll be able to get those off. Give it a little dry. Keep in mind that is pretty wet, so I might have to dry it a little bit longer, but I'm just going to run it across my paper. Nope, no ink left. I'm good to go. Well, there you have it. Another way that we can upcycle those old makeup brushes, bring them into the stamp room. We might as well use them and we can create some gorgeous pieces of art, don't you think? Guys, thanks so much for being a part of today's 2-Minute Tuesday tip. We'll see you guys next Tuesday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.